Hi, we're here at the Verizon Technology Forum at Hershey, Pennsylvania, and I'm with Bill Reynolds with EXFO. So Bill, tell us what's unique about EXFO.
Well, EXFO in itself, don't want to be too presumptuous to say we have a partnership with Verizon, but we certainly have a very good working relationship with Verizon. For the past 20 years, we have been innovative in the optical test equipment in Verizon, that they can come to us at any time when they have a new product line or a new piece of material that they want to have to be able to test, and they will come to us and we will come up with some solutions to test their equipment. Perfect example right now is this fiber to the prem. As we all know, we have actually designed and dedicated some equipment specifically to the Verizon FiOS project for one-button testing. A lot of new technicians don't have the ability to do analysis on the optical work, so the one-button testing will do the analysis for them and give them almost a pass or fail situation right off the bat for them. So
that's great. I bet that helps them a lot. Wonderful, especially with their truck rolls and cutting expenses, huh?
Yes.
Great. What other type of new products or services are you offering here?
Well, right now we're trying to get a little bit more involved in the voice over IP and the protocol testing beyond SONET, gigabit Ethernet, 10 gig testing, 40 gig testing. A lot of our new equipment is being driven in that direction. We have, what's nice about our equipment is some of the platforms that they currently use, they won't have to change the platform. They would just put a different module in there and it will work correctly with the unit that they have right now. The software is upgradable at any time. We give Verizon a lot of field support. Like I say, we don't necessarily want to call ourselves a partner, but as far as that working relationship, we do go out in the field and we do train their people on a regular basis. We get calls to when they have unusual situations as far as testing, and we'll work with them very closely on these things.
I'm sure you would give that much attention to all of your customers too.
Oh, yes, I do. But again, Verizon is a good customer, and just an example is my job is dedicated to Verizon. I specifically work with Verizon on their issues in this Northeast area. But yes, you're correct. We do very well with many of the other telecom and NSP providers in the world. We are not just on the North America continent, but we are throughout the world. Testing procedures. Wonderful.
So tell us some benefits that service providers have by working with EXFO.
Well, as I said earlier, some of the benefits would be if they encounter a problem that they don't know how to test, we will come up with a solution. If they physically encounter a problem in the field where they need someone to come out, we will go out in the field and work with them. A lot of the turn-ups right now include OC192, and a lot of your earlier cable is not compatible with sending at a transmission rate at OC192. We have equipment that will test that cable, and not only can we test it, but we have some equipment that takes a little bit more interpretation, but we can identify their areas of high PMD, and they don't have to replace an entire cable. They can replace sections of the cable. So that's some of the benefits that we will do for them in the field.
Wonderful. It sounds like you're a great partner to have.